Greetings of the day. Today in this session we'll learn DRL or DQL commands, right? So DRL, full form of DRL is Data Retrieval Language Command, and DQL means Data Query Language Commands. So that's fine. Under this category, we have only one command, that is called select. Let's see. So under DRL, we have select command, which is used for selection of data from one or more than one table. Selection can be of two types: selection without condition, where you will be able to see all row, all columns. Second is selection of records with condition, where you can have column wise selection, row wise selection, or by both. So let's directly jump to the SQL prompt. So now we are on the SQL prompt. We have this query is all the queries will be based on EMP table. So let's see. Select star from EMP. So this is the table. When it comes to selection without condition, means like select star. Star means all row, all column. From, then you need to write table name, and after table name there is no condition given. So this is called selection of records without condition. Now we'll go with the second type of selection, that is called conditional selection. So let's see. Select star from EMP. I have taken certain condition like department number 20. So I have written where DEPT number equals to 20. Here you will be seeing the selection criteria is department number 20. And we are taking all columns, means complete detail, but for department number 20. This is also called row wise selection, means all rows are not taking part into it. Clear? Whenever you will be using where clause, this is a row wise selection. Now select comma ename comma job from EMP. This is column wise selection. Then see further. So this is row and column wise selection. In output we have selected columns and selected rows, means in the output we are getting EMP number, ename, job for department number 20 only. So this is about conditional selection, where we have taken row wise selection column wise selection and row and column wise selection both. So this is the example of row and column wise selection. This is the example of column wise selection. This is the example of row wise selection. And this is the example of unconditional selection. So that's all about DQL commands, or you can say select commands. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great learning. Thank you.